YouTube video. Today I have here MX Linux 18.3. This is a virtual machine with 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and 4 cores, 4 CPU. Okay, now we're just gonna boot it up now. Oh, that's great. We're just gonna get this version. Okay, just saying, this is my first time using MX Linux. Never used it before, so yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Okay, now it's loading the OS in. Shouldn't take that long. Okay, if you guys don't already know, MX Linux is based on Debian. So yeah, MX 18 continuum. Yeah, just gonna leave everything here. Just gonna close this. Default username, everything is demo. Okay, open the installer. Next, leave free space up to, that's fine. Run partition 2. Okay, to format the entire disk, yes. Okay, now you should wait for this to format, and you're gonna leave it as master boot record. Computer name, you're gonna name it, and then they do not do our space pass, and no, I do not need. Actually, we'll just leave it as that. Okay, system clock use local. I'm gonna use it that way. Time zone American. Okay, simple. Okay, don't feel like messing with this today. Default user login name, cookie. Default user password. Default user password. Root password. Okay, show passwords. Actually, no, yeah, there's no reason for me to do that. Auto login, save live desktop. No, we're just gonna next. Okay, basic information about MX Linux are all okay. Now we should just wait for it to copy and finish the system and finish the installation. This shouldn't take that long because it's Linux. I feel like I say that in every episode, but yeah, I guess you can see that. Anyways, we are just gonna wait for it to copy and finish the system. Okay. Shouldn't take that long. Okay. MX Linux, if I'm not wrong, is currently one of the most popular Linux distributions there is currently, because if you go to some of the website, it actually states that this is actually the most famous one yet. But yeah, we're just going to reboot the system and everything. Okay, let's hope I remember my password. I just set it like a few minutes ago. Okay, now we advanced continuum. Yeah, it should just boot us to the. Let's hope this doesn't boot me into live USB. Yeah, it shouldn't. Okay, now it's booting. We'll give it a moment. By the way, if you don't already know, Linux is open source. I feel like I say that in every video. So yeah, this is not a live one. Okay, now I'm just gonna go into settings. And oh, it does have flash player. Wow, that's neat. I expect to be seeing that today. We are just gonna go to is there display resolution? Good. What kind of res is this? Okay, I guess not. Just gonna apply this. I'm just gonna give me a moment. I'm gonna set this to 720 and see how it looks. Oh, this one supposed that res what? Can this do 1080? Because if I can do 1080, I would be kind of surprised though. There we try 1080. And that's fine. This resolution is fine. We can decide that. Yeah, okay, that's good. Anyways, this should be fine. We just close this. I like the look of this. Firstly, I mean, there's the clock here, and it has a lot of pre-install apps. By the meaning a lot, I mean a few. Yeah, it has game pre-installed. It has those usual apps installed, but yeah. And it also has games installed. There's Mahjong here, and there's Hearts. I've never played Hearts, but I've definitely played Mahjong. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna see if there's app store. We're just gonna check for software manager because Yes, there definitely is. Okay, password for root. Okay. Okay, we are in. I kind of expected more of a graphical user interface, not this, but yeah. Oh no, this is a package manager. Never mind. Wait, doesn't this also give you apps? Me just scrolling through, making sure I didn't miss anything. Wait, if I can find Chromium here, this might be correct. Yeah, this is weirdness. It's architecture. I don't really have to check the architecture, do I? We're just gonna go and check. No, if I'm not, maybe I have to install the apps off the web, which is kind of sad, but yeah, I could be wrong. Okay, never mind, found it. Why does everything need admin password? Just remember it. Okay, great. Okay, desktop environment. I'm gonna go get meat because I like meat. Install it now. Okay, now it should installing. Great, it is. We should just give this a moment. I'm more used to meat as I used a lot of it for other desktops. This will be similar in this case. So yeah. Okay. So getting all the mirrors and everything. Shouldn't take that long, hopefully. Okay, this might take a while. Let me just close this. No. Do I really have to wait for this to finish? Because I feel like the meat. This just reminds me of the terminal, and I see no reason for me to do this. Oh yeah, I just remembered you can install apps from terminal. This would have saved my time a lot. Okay. We're just gonna do sudo install. No, sudo apt install. Sudo apt get install. I swear it better be apt get install. CPU fetch. I don't know whether this is released yet, but I'm quite sure it is. Okay, so my package was correct. So dash get install. New fetch, another one. Because yeah, this is currently running. I feel like just cancelling this task because I really feel like I'm not gonna need this. And yeah, I can't do anything. Yeah, I'm just gonna exit this. It's gonna take me too long for me to prove my point that it does work, but yeah. It crashed. Can I force close this? No, I cannot. Good, that works. Now I'm just gonna do the sudo install from here. Sudo apt get install neofetch. Maybe absolutely. Is that not how you use apt get? But I'm quite sure that is how you do it. Weird that I'm getting this. Yeah. I'm just gonna do sudo apt get dash f install new fetch. Me trying every single. Yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, I'm just gonna reload a new session terminal. Try again because maybe it was still thinking it wasn't used. Okay. Okay, now it works. Okay, sudo apt. Maybe I don't know why this is very weird. I'm gonna try Darktable because I'm quite sure this is one that works. Yeah. Get install. Oh my god, what kind of update list is that? Yeah, okay, I guess I see the problem. I'm gonna update after this video. Darktable. Okay, it works. Darktable works. Okay, now we can wait. So yeah, if you don't really want to use the built-in app store, you can always install it the way you use it in terminal. But yeah, this is Task Manager. It tells you what's happening. But yeah, okay, let me try to show you something. I'm never gonna question this, but yeah. Okay, now this is done installing. If we search Darktable, it should come out. Yeah, anyways, here it is. Darktable, you can use it to import images here, folders, everything. If I'm not wrong, it's similar to Lightroom. But yeah, you can always try using it. So yeah, this is Darktable, Lighttable, and this Darktable. But yeah, I'm just gonna close this now. Okay, yeah, that's great. Let me just click and good. Now this is terminal. I mean, yeah, it's like any other Linux distribution. You can install apps from the terminal. Yeah, it's kind of similar, but yeah, this somehow became famous. I mean, there are a lot of Linux distributions now, but there are over 600. But I guess if you guys want, you can always try this on a virtual machine before installing it on your own computer. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please leave a like and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.